So kids, do not try this at home. I am manually charging this lithium ion cell from a group of cells that I had from my Roomba. Now this one cell is rated at 3.6 volts and I'm only going at 2.2. Here is a sister dead cell right here. And with my multimeter on voltage mode, it only reads 0.09 volts. That means this thing is so dead. So we're only trying to give it a kickstart here. It's drawing 0.7 amps. And I don't think it will heat up because it's rated at 3.6 and this is now at 2.3 volts. The more you leave it on the charger, the current should keep on going down here and the voltage should increase slightly. Why do I say that? Because this DC power supply is not really the most powerful power supply to keep the voltage stable. But yeah, here it is. It's now at 2.3. And yeah, check it out. 0.2 amps right now. I think we kick-started enough to be able to put it on a real charge. Yeah, so here it is. On the multimeter, it's reading 2.1. Alright, let's try to charge it with this charger. Yes. Oh, look at that. Alright, let's see what happens. Yeah, well, this iCharger is not charging. This is the one that we fixed earlier with the bad screen. The guy sent it with a bad screen and a bad charging circuit. So, you know, some customers are very strange and sneaky. You gotta be careful of those people.